What's your CB handle?
Dirty Duck, and I'm Dirty Duck on there. My name is Ray Slagel, and I bought this 79 Autocar new, and I've had it the whole time, and it's never been restored. It still looks like it looks. So I special ordered this thing. It was a dump truck when it was new, and I ran it for about 12 or 13 years, and then I parked it, and I've had it ever since. It's a Caterpillar 3406A with a Spicer 5 and a Spicer 4-speed auxiliary, 58,000 pound Rockwell rears. It's pretty simple, there's not much to it. This is the engine brake. It's got a Jake brake on it. Parking brake, windshield wiper, starter switch, and got a hand throttle. It's had a clutch in it. At 500,000 I rebuilt the motor, and it's had a lot of tires on it. Other than that, it's been a good truck. Did everything I wanted it to do. Served me well.
Well, anything else you want to add?
That's pretty much it.
Excellent.
Unless you got any other questions you want to ask me.
Let me see. If you could give any advice to maybe a young trucker or somebody getting into it, what would you say?
Better think twice. It's a lot of work.
Well, I think that'll wrap it up. You did good.
Put something on there for you.
Yeah.